Quench your home's thirst with the top water coolers. In this review, we test 5 best models for home use. Check jug sizes, countertop, or freestanding styles. See which chill or offer hot water on demand. Discover options with built-in filters or touchless access. By the end, you'll find the cooler to keep your whole family hydrated. Time to say bye to making multiple fridge trips. Kick back with refreshing water straight from the source. Starting at number 5, we have the Igloo stainless steel water dispenser. This model stands out for having the best design, combining sleek aesthetics with functionality. The Igloo stainless steel water dispenser effortlessly caters to your hydration needs, offering an attractive balance of functionality and compact design. Serving up hot, cold, and room temperature water in mere seconds, this water dispenser proves a valuable addition to your kitchen or office space. It efficiently holds up to 5-gallon bottles, eliminating the need for any plumbing work. Moreover, this convenience doesn't come at the cost of safety. The dispenser includes a child safety lock on the hot button, preventing any potential accidents. The compact sizing of the Igloo dispenser ensures it fits comfortably even in smaller spaces, without compromising its performance. Its sleek black and stainless steel design also adds a touch of elegance to any environment. So, if you're in search of a reliable water dispenser that delivers both hot and cold water while fitting into compact spaces, I assure you that this cooler delivers. At number 4, we have the Avalon Top-Loading Water Cooler. This option is the best top-loading water cooler, offering easy access and a classic design. One of the downsides of top-loading water coolers is that it can be cumbersome and messy to change the water bottle. But this option has a spill-proof design to make the task much easier. There's a built-in rod that punctures the cap of a new water jug, so you won't cause a flood or get laughs from coworkers. The cooler dispenses hot or cold water, and it fits 3 and 5-gallon water bottles. It's operated via push paddles, which are convenient and sanitary, and the overall design is slim, so it can be tucked into small spaces. The main drawback is that you'll be standing in front of it for a while, filling your coffee mug, as it dispenses slowly. Coming in at number 3, it's the Giantex Top-Loading Water Cooler. This model is the best value, providing affordability without compromising on quality. Many full-size water coolers cost $200 or more, but if you're shopping on a budget, this simple model is an unbeatable value. The freestanding design can hold water bottles up to 5 gallons, and it dispenses both hot and room temperature water using basic levers. There's also a small storage cabinet underneath the dispensers where you can keep drinks, cups, or other supplies. While this water cooler offers solid features for a low price, the trade-off is that it's not as aesthetically pleasing as some high-end models. The exterior of the unit is a plain white plastic that looks somewhat cheap. In the second spot, we have the Brio self-cleaning bottom-loading water cooler. This cooler is the best self-cleaning option, ensuring low maintenance and hygienic use. This water cooler has a self-cleaning feature and uses ozone, an odorless gas, to disinfect the valves. It also has an attractive stainless steel finish, and it conceals the water jug in its base. There are spouts for cold, hot, and room temperature water, which are activated by push buttons, and switches on the back of the unit allow you to turn off the hot or cold water, if desired. The unit has a removable drip tray, nightlight, and child safety lock, and it's ENERGY STAR certified as well. And finally, at number 1, we have the Avalon bottom-loading water cooler. This model is the best overall, offering a perfect blend of convenience, design, and performance. The Avalon bottom-loading water cooler has a sleek, easy-to-use design, and it can dispense cold, room temperature, and hot water. It can accommodate 3 and 5-gallon water jugs, which are loaded into the stainless steel cabinet at the bottom of the unit, and it has an empty bottle indicator light that lets you know when to change the jug. The unit is ENERGY STAR approved, and its high-contact surfaces are treated with BioGuard antimicrobial coating to prevent bacterial growth. Plus, the cooler has a night light that makes the spouts visible in low lighting and a child lock on the hot water button. We hope you found the perfect water cooler to supply your home with clean, great-tasting water anywhere it's needed. Be sure to subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, Now go fill her up and enjoy convenient refreshment wherever you roam around the house. See you next time as we hunt for more innovative ways to improve your indoor space.